For this project, we will not need much equipment. All we will be requiring is two standard wires, a 220 ohm resistor, as well as an LED. I've used a red one here, but you can use any color. Of course, you're also going to need your breadboard to assemble the circuit. You will also require a power source. Here I'm going to be using two AA batteries to power the breadboard. You can also use a breadboard power module, of which I'll put a link in the description if you're not sure how to use it. First, connect your power source. Now, after the power source is connected, build your circuit. Now be careful when attaching the LED. Here you can see one side is bigger than the other. This side is bigger, this side is a little shorter. So this side is a positive end, this side is a negative end. So the positive end here has to go towards this positive wire here. So the positive end has to go this way, and the negative end should go this way. And here you can see the LED has been lit. So if you remove it, you can see the light is gone. And if you add it again, then you see the bulb lights up. Now we're going to experiment what happens when you remove the resistor, or when you add a resistor that has more resistance. So if you decide not to have any resistance at all, let's join the circuits again. You see that the bulb is much brighter. Now with more resistance, we see that the bulb is way brighter. A resistance is added to make sure the bulb does not break and to keep the light under control. Now let's see what happens when we add a greater resistance to the circuit. So let's remove this. Now here with me I have a 1000 ohm resistor compared to the 220 ohm we were using before. Now here you can see the bulb is just lightly lit up. It's quite dim, but you can tell that it is lit up slightly because if I remove it, you can see it loses a small brightness. You can choose the type of resistance you want in your circuit depending on the brightness you'd like. If you'd like a bright bulb, have no resistance at all. If you'd like a somewhat mid-lit bulb, then you can have a 220 ohm resistor. And if you like a very slightly lit bulb, then you can have a 1000 ohm resistor like I'm using here. But remember, for this I'm using a 2.4 volt power source. So if you have a greater voltage, so like example, if you're using a 5 volt power source, you may need to add more resistance or less resistance to get your desired results.